Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea and Art. Today I will be making the second of my mold, and that is the mold that I grew the greasy effect inside the glass dish, and I made the mold of that whole glass dish. So let's start. I am taking my glass cast resin 50 here again, and this is really a thin viscosity resin, so it's a bubble free resin and perfect for making crystals and any deep cast. So let's start. And I am pouring my hardener first, and then I will be adding the resin, and I am measuring here by weight. And now I'm adding my resin in it. So I have already added a teeny tiny amount of blue pigment into the resin, and now I'm adding this just a little hint of this magenta color, just a hint of it into the resin. And I'm mixing it. The key is here to keep the resin as transparent as possible. So in this case, the greasy effect comes out really beautiful. So now I will be adding the resin into the mold. First, I am spraying with isopropyl alcohol just to avoid any air bubbles. And here I am pouring the resin inside. As you can see, the resin is really thin. And I am really slowly adding the resin. And again, with my heat gun, I will be removing any excess air bubbles if they are trapped inside. And now I am pouring it again to fill up my mold. And again some heat gun. There are a few little air bubbles on the sides. I am just removing them. And now I'm using this holographic insert on the top of this mold. And I will be adding it into the middle, just making sure it's been filled properly. Just being extra careful to get no bubbles. So I was putting the holographic silicone on this mold and suddenly realized that it needs more resin in it. So removing the insert, and I am adding some more resin into the mold. And finally I will be adding this holographic silicone onto this mold. I know I did take a lot of steps, but if you need a clear product, you need to work a bit on it. And this is after 2 days and it's been all cured. Let's see. First remove the holographic silicone, and wow, the effect is beautiful. And now I'm removing it from the mold. Let's see how it turned out. I was really excited for this mold. So this is how it turned out, and you can definitely see the holographic magic happening here. It's really pretty. all the sparkles are there, and plus I didn't get any bubbles in it. So this was a successful project. And here it's sparkling in the sun. So this was the tutorial, and I hope you like it, and I will link the tutorial into the description and on top here, so you can see how I grew the crystals and made this mold. And thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe and share, and also please give me a thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please do so. That will be really helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.